environment. It was designed for collaborative working in corporate environments. And really, the MiRTLE project arose out of our long-standing relationship that we have at the University of Essex with Shanghai Jiao Tong University in China, where they have a long-standing technical e-learning research capability, and they have quite a large online e-learning community, about 18,000 students taking online courses. And it became apparent when we worked with these guys that there was an opportunity here to augment their online experience with some of the capability that you have in Wonderland. And that's what I'm going to describe to you today. Now, when you start talking about Wonderland, Second Life, these so-called Web 2 social software environments, they're typically really good for that social interaction, social networking, and online lectures isn't really your first thought of how you'd want to use it. So it's quite an interesting choice, I think, from our point of view. But I think what we're seeing is that once you can demonstrate it in this way, I think organizations like universities can really see how they could quite easily apply this technology in what they're doing at the moment. I think it's an easy win for universities to take this and apply it to lectures. They can then explore other innovative uses of the platform as well later, but I think for lectures it's quite an easy win. So what's the application scenario we're looking at here? Well, the middle picture there are actually pictures of the smart classrooms as they exist in Shanghai. So they have these very sophisticated smart classrooms where students can go to actually watch lectures. But also students can log in from a range of different devices. Shanghai currently have streaming to mobile phones, IPTV to web browsers, and they have very large numbers of online students as well. So the key issue there, and for many of us in the online e-learning community, is how you sort of close that, bring that divide, get rid of that divide, so the online students have as rich experience as the people who are in the classroom. And that's kind of what we're trying to do with MiRTLE. So this is just a picture of the Shanghai smart classroom, and it's a state-of-the-art capability which has got everything that you would expect, in a smart classroom. And it's just an ideal environment for us to make use of MiRTLE and deploy it in that environment. But the important thing to say here is you don't have to have a smart classroom to use MiRTLE. I think, as you'll see when I show a video later on,